Stocks Down Under gives you an information advantage to better invest and trade in ASX-listed stocks. In this video, we'll walk you through all the content you can access as a member. We'll also show you how to get the most out of your subscription. Once you sign into the website with the login details you provided on sign up, you will be on the home page. The menu gives you an overview of the 4 types of content you can find on Stocks Down Under. Our weekly investor webinars are a great starting point. In these webinars, Mark and Stuart talk about all things investing, including individual stocks and how to do your own company research. They answer questions from subscribers and they discuss specific sectors like biotech, technology and resources. Our investor webinars provide you with the analysis tools to better invest and trade in ASX-listed stocks. Make sure you watch the webinars regularly. We publish them every Wednesday. Under Insights, you'll find a variety of information about ASX-listed stocks, updated on a weekly basis. From Friday Beers videos, where Mark and Stuart casually discuss the latest trends in the stock market, to interviews with company management and articles on ASX-related topics. These pages will give you insights to make better investment decisions. Under the Publications tab, you can read the 4 weekly editions of Stocks Down Under. They cover all relevant sectors of the ASX, with in-depth company analyses of ASX top 200 stocks, emerging companies, resources companies, and small cap stocks down under. When you're on a trial subscription, you can access the editions of the past 2 weeks. You will be able to access all past editions when you switch to a paid subscription plan. Lastly, Mark and Stuart's Top Picks gives you a condensed list of the best stock ideas on the ASX. Through our email and SMS service, we will let you know when to buy and, equally important, when to sell. Please note that Stocks Down Under provides general advice only. Mark and Stuart's recommendations cannot be taken as personal advice. Under Manage Membership, you can review and update your account and payment details, including expiring credit cards. You can also download your invoices in this section. And under Communications, you can choose how you want to receive our notifications, by SMS, email, or both. That's it. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at contact@stocksdownunder.com and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. You can also send us your investment-related questions that we'll try and answer in one of our webinars. Thank you for joining Stocks Down Under. Investing has never been easier.